Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off subtitles on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And of course, you need to go and subscribe to Netflix. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn on or off subtitles on Netflix. So first, of course, you need to go and start playing a video. So you need to go and start playing some of the, of course, series or anything. So you can click on this one. Just a second. Now, when you're there, you need to go and hover over the video and set off control will appear. Then click on the speech bubble, as you can see here, and here you can go and turn it off, or of course, put on the one that you want to turn them on. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, I really hope that you found this video informative and that it really helps you. Of course, that will be, guys, everything for this video. As I told you, hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.